So in today's video, I'm going to show you how the Osmo Mobile 3 works with the iPhone 11. Now, I made some videos in the past with the iPhone 10 and the original Osmo Mobile, and the results were pretty much terrible. So I kind of expect the results to be terrible with this as well. But I guess we're going to have to see when I put these devices together. Actually, what you see right now is the front-facing camera on the iPhone 11. I'm shooting this in 4K, 60 frames per second, and I'm using the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So this is the front-facing camera. I'm going to show you a bunch of footage from my day on Saturday, the day after I got the phone, and we're just going to see how this thing performs in a variety of situations. Today, I'm going to test out the Osmo Mobile 3 with the iPhone 11. Then you keep bumping your phone, making me think you got a fish.
Me? I do?
Okay, folks, so today... Okay, here we go.
So that's what the sun looks like.
Here we go.
Dad, I just took a picture of the sun.
Really? Hey, everybody. I finally got my iPhone 11. Okay, let me try this again. Hey, everybody. I finally got my iPhone 11, and I got it here with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, which I am using today, and I'm testing out how this thing works. And I'm out in a bouncy boat, so that's kind of a good test. This is the front-facing camera, and we're doing our best to hook into some silvers, but so far, no luck. But that doesn't mean we're not going to have any luck before this day's over. Thanks for watching. Whatever, blah, 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 blah. I can't think of anything else to say. All right, guys, how's it going?
Amazing!
Got any fish yet?
No.
We're doing a little rocking and rolling in the boat here, and I feel like this thing's keeping it pretty steady. I guess we'll have to see if there's any of that terrible pulsing and jittering that we got when we paired the iPhone 10 with the Osmo Mobile, the original Osmo Mobile.
Boat where? Oh yes, boat coming. Wait position.
Why don't you take us where the fish are, man?
I am. I'm just about there.
Wake me up when it's time to go. I hate fish. Well, you're not wrong. Unless it's shrimp. Shrimp is good. Okay. I know what to do. Wait, Dad, is shrimp a fish? I'm making sure the ring is high.
Nice. Evan.
I like it better.
Evan. Were you taking her stuff? How dare you, man? Evan, Evan, Evan. I expect you to be nice to your sister. Do you understand me?
Are we gonna go to the potluck tomorrow? Yes.
Because didn't that used to do that?
Hey kids, what are you doing? Hey guys.
Hey, Mama, where's down my
Yeah, it's not really helping me. Thank you. Yeah, it did.
Hey, Dad, maybe you could try this.
No thanks.
You just eat this. That was a video too. Don't put me out. Oh, there's
Come on, guys. Oh, you can be in my video. It won't hurt. She's like, I don't want.
walk the wrong way around the car.
She's like, I don't want to be in your video. Come on, guys.
Daddy, did you know I got up there with like mostly my hands? That's
Yeah.
interesting, the little baby. Come on, back. Wait. Don't want to touch it. Footprints.
Okay, I kind of figured we can't have any DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and iPhone 11 testing without having some running in here. So okay, so my only complaint about any of this at all is that I bought this case. It's a very nice UAG case. This case here has to be taken off for the iPhone 11 Pro Max to fit on the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. The reason I bought such a thick case was because I just really wanted to protect my investment this time. And I saw a video over on Everything Apple Pro's channel where he dropped an iPhone in this case from the top of the Astoria Tower. That's a 50-foot drop onto concrete, and the phone was just fine. This is the red one, obviously, and that's top grain leather. They also make one that's black, and they also make one that's kind of grayish, and I think it's carbon fiber in there, so instead of leather. So thanks for watching my video today. I gotta say, I've been very impressed with how the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max have performed together. I was fully expecting to be disappointed because I left a very honest review on how the Osmo Mobile, the original Osmo Mobile, worked with the iPhone 10. The footage was just terrible. Go back and watch some of those videos and you'll see what I mean. But the issues that have been plaguing the DJI Osmo Mobile series and any iPhone with optical image stabilization don't appear to exist with this combination. So I wholeheartedly encourage you to purchase this combination of products, and I appreciate you watching this video today. Thanks a lot. Oh, I gotta say, I just want to say one more thing. The footage, well, a couple more things. The footage out in the boat was incredible to me. So smooth, and we were rocking and rolling out there. So that footage really impressed me. And also, the footage of me running I thought was very impressive. Incredible. Oh, I also want to say that the night footage that you saw in this video was not using the Osmo Mobile 3. That was just me hand holding the phone. I just wanted to see how it would do at night in the dark. So that's where that footage came from. Okay, I don't think I have anything else to say. Wait, one more thing, and that is, if you want to help support my channel and you're interested in purchasing these products, check the links in the description and make your purchases that way. That would really help me out. Thanks again, and have a great day. And go Blazers.